Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I would like to show you all the extra items that I've made to put into my Etsy shop that are released with my Botanical Junk Journals. If you'd like to see the journals, I will have the link down below for the flip through video for all of them. So I'll start over here. These items here, these are some altered paperclip charms. And I made one for each of the journals that are in my shop, and I made a couple extra of each of those colors, plus I added a few other colors in. I added like a neutral colored one that has some sari silk ribbon at the top and a vintage button, and then some rust colored charms at the bottom, and these have a gold paper clip and a gold lobster clasp at the top. And then I have this one here that is a navy blue vintage fabric. It's navy and it has little red flowers on it, and then I've tied up a red vintage button there with some red twine, and then it has some red and silver beads that are dangling from the bottom. So that is the only one that does not have like another eyelash trim or lace that is tied at the bottom of it. I also have this shabby pink one here that has vintage pink and white fabric at the top with a vintage white button and some pink embroidery thread that's tied through it. And then there is this really pretty pink little bead charm there with some pink vintage lace. I also have the 4 colors that are on the journals that I already had shown in the previous video when I did my flip through, and also when I made these. If you'd like to know how to make these, I will put the link for this video down below. But there's the purple one, the pink one, the yellow one, and the turquoise. So that's what those are. And I do have more of, all of these at least have 2 extra, and then some of them have 4. I also have 2 of each color of the tassels that I made for the journals. So I have 2 of the yellow, 2 of the pink, 2 of the purple, and then 2 of this turquoise color. So they all have some of the vintage fabric, laces, trims, and yeah, I think that's all for those things. And then the last item that I will be adding to my shop, and I have 6 packs of these, but they are a botanical ephemera pack, and it includes several vintage botanical book pages. There's a piece of vintage floral gift wrap, and then they each have a piece of an vintage embroidered piece from a napkin, and then there are 2 pieces of calico vintage fabric. They're like a 3x3 square you can use to make tuck spots or a little pocket. There are 2 vintage playing cards. There's some botanical ephemera. These are, some of them are Tim Holtz, and then some of them are from another collection that I had. That's what these all are. And then there's a piece of some vintage embroidered trim here. This is really pretty green with white flowers and like a little red floral going through it. They all have one of these bird cards on it. I believe these are hand painted. It's vintage. I found it in an estate sale. and each one has, they all vary, all 6 packs will vary depending on which one, you know, because I didn't have duplicates of any of the vintage items. So they each have a card that has a bird on it of some sort, is what I'm trying to say. And then they each have 2 vintage cards that have flowers on them, and all the cards are used cards. They're like from the 50s. There's a couple pages of a bird little handbook, a couple pages from an old women's magazine called The Word Basket. They're from 1954, and each of the pages have to do with flowers, of course. And then there are various other pages here. I believe this one was from a flower magazine, or a flower book that was from the 70s. There's another one here. This was from a different book. I think this was a gardening book, and then this one was all on flowers. But I just love these images. And they're both, I believe, from the 1970s. Here's the 1970s seed catalog page. This is from A Better Homes and Gardens gardening book. The coloring page of a bird, that's not vintage, but that's about the only thing that's not vintage in this, except for the ephemera pieces. And then here's another flower book. And this is a page from an old calendar from 1988. They each will have a different picture on them. Here's another page from a nature book. And then here's the gift wrap, and this is from the 1970s, 73, and it's just like a print of somebody's artwork. So they each have there's 2 styles of this. So anyway, I will have each of these listed as a separate listing on Etsy, so you can actually see the pieces that are included. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe. Follow me over on Instagram as I keep posting things that I'm working on. My next series that I want to work on are some little mini passport junk journals that are travel themed. So I can't wait to get started on those. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.